Alright, welcome to the channel. Rainy day out today, so over to my brother's house. He got something that, he ordered another part for his bike, he's got bazillion parts coming for this thing, so this might be the fucking Goldwing channel now or something, I don't know. Like somebody commented in my last video.
So
we'll see what he's got, and then we'll go from there. Alright, what you got here?
Windshield.
From where?
Well, I ordered it from Wingstuff. I seem to order everything from Wingstuff.
Yep.
But this is the KLOCK WERKS Flair.
What's the size?
This is the full one. This is the 20-inch one.
20-inch one, alright.
Yep.
And they got two, right? Two different ones? 20-inch and
an 18-inch.
And an 18-inch, okay. For the
2018 plus Goldwing.
Yeah, for the 2018 plus Goldwing.
Yep. And I got the dark smoke. Ooh, that is dark.
So it comes in a pretty good box and wrapped up pretty good, and
yep.
And he got the dark smoke. All right.
That's super dark.
No.
I thought it was dark, like black.
No. That's the dark smoke, or?
This is the dark smoke, dark you can get.
Okay, so you have plain, right?
You have plain, you have clear, tinted, and dark smoke.
Clear, tinted, and dark smoke, so,
yep.
Yeah.
Just kind of comparing it real quick. Roughly, right about there.
So, yeah. Oh.
Right? Maybe right about there?
Yeah. That's quite a bit. Are you going to be able to see over it, or are you going to see?
It's fully up right now. The
Oh,
windshield's fully up right now.
Yes.
Well, yeah, I should be able to. We're going to see.
All right. So we're going to take the whole of the windshield off and put this one on, and we'll see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Right there. A little push pin. You push that in.
Yep.
Push the center in.
Maybe.
Yep.
Like that. And then.
Yep. Just a little push pin. Freaking.
That's it.
Yep. So what that does is releases these, right?
Yep. And you should just. I believe it was just up, down.
And then you just slide
down.
Slide these down, and they come off. And then all you got's 4 Allen bolts here to take out.
Yeah, and I believe they're 5mm.
All right, so when you take the bolts out, you got a plastic washer and a rubber washer.
Yep. Don't lose those.
Yep. Just throw them on the ground and do whatever with them.
Kick them around.
So. I'm holding it. Look I'm actually doing some work.
Yeah,
right. All right. All the bolts are out. And just pops off. Ta-da!
There's like a little rubber thing underneath. Don't leave those alone.
Yep.
Right, and that's the window.
There you go.
Okay. Now supposedly the curve is going to be a little unnatural.
Yep. And you got to kind of try to pop it on without, right?
Yep.
All right, got the screws in. All right. That one. All right. Did it pop on? You want to pop it on. There you go. There. Oh, that looks better. No. The dark tint looks good. Yeah, since the bottom ones went in easy, popped in easy. The top ones you had to.
But they say it's because it's the curve.
Yeah, it's the curve of the
more.
windshield. So he's tightening up the top and then the bottoms, and then you put 100 pounds of
No, these are
100 foot-pounds of torque for
these are
torque,
nothing.
so you can crack them. All right, and then you just slide those other things back on, right?
It just drops in here and slides up on. That's it. And then push the quick pin in.
That's it.
Right, and then I just
Yep, and then you just push it in, I think, right? So, is that in the thing?
that's in.
Okay, then just push it. There you go. Down, push up. There you go.
You just kind of loose.
Yep.
Do it up when you do it.
And then push it in. There, done.
Just hear a little pop. That's it.
All done. There we go. Now finish peeling it off. Dipshit didn't bring his keys, so he can't tell. Well, it's all the way up now, right?
It's all the way up now. So
We'll have to see if you can see it even over it. All the way up.
all the way up and nope.
So you're gonna keep it, oh, so your plan was to keep this down all the time?
Well, my plan was to keep it down-ish.
Okay.
No, but I do like that because if it's fully up, I'm looking through it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking all the way through it.
Yeah, but where though? Because this doesn't
No,
this
because
distort.
if I'm going to be, no, because the only time I'm going to have it up is if it's raining. I'm going to be looking closer to the bike anyways. Okay, so that's all the way down.
That's all the way down?
That's all the way down. Yep.
All right, yeah, so you see over it.
Yeah, that's over. Fine.
Yep.
So
Yeah, having it down looks better,
it does.
you know, so.
Yeah.
Looks good. What do you think? Leave a comment below. But that was his KLOCK WERKS
KLOCK WERKS Flair.
20-inch flare for his 22 Road Glide, 22 Goldwing. Yeah, there we go. All right, so that was his windshield. So if my channel interests you, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Leave a comment below. What do you think of his new windshield? It's pretty tall, so he got it so it'll always, for the most part, be down in the down position, and hopefully that'll work out for him. He can see over it in a down position. If it's in up position, he can't see over it, and he's gonna have to see through it. But this is way bigger, and it has the flare, so the wind should go over his head and hopefully his passenger. But we won't know that until we try it out. So, and it's raining today, and his passenger ain't gonna be riding anytime soon. So, but anyway, so give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.